You guys want to start a YouTube channel. How are you going to do that, especially on a budget? If you don't have hundreds or thousands of dollars to spend on camera and gear and lighting and a PC to edit, how are you going to do it? What's up guys, my name is Phil and I'm going to help you guys start a YouTube channel on a budget. So this channel is dedicated to my fellow detailers. I've had a lot of questions over the past couple of years from running my main YouTube channel, which is Miranda Detailing. If you want to check that out, check the links down below. So we've been running that channel for over 2 years now, and it's really grown, and I've learned a lot over the past couple of years with recording, audio, video, and editing, and we've come a long way. So we've been getting a lot of comments and questions on what we use to record both video, audio, and how to edit. Now, I am by no means a professional videographer or photographer or editor or anything like that. This channel is going to be for you guys who want to begin to use YouTube. What does it take to start recording? What type of camera, what type of audio and mics and lighting and editing programs do I need to start? Well, this channel is going to discuss all of that over time. So guys, if you're interested in that, then consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. That way you get notifications each time these videos drop each week and you're not gonna miss a thing. So stay tuned guys, enjoy the channel.